U.S. stocks closed higher on Wednesday, but gains were limited ahead of inflation reports and major bank earnings later in the week. The Dow gained just under 0.5%, the S&P 500 added nearly 0.6, and the Nasdaq rose 0.75%. Megacap tech stocks provided the biggest boost to the S&P 500, with shares of Meta Platforms jumping more than 3.5%, the stock reaching its highest level since September 2021. NVIDIA, which rose more than 2%, hit a record high after fellow chip maker TSMC beat fourth-quarter revenue expectations. Mark Lucchini is chief investment strategist at Janney Capital Management.
We're seeing a rotation back into some of last year's leadership with names that propagate communications, services, technology, consumer discretionary, really taking the lead. Not surprising. Obviously, iconic brands that are expected to deliver pretty good earnings, which we're about to embark on here for fourth quarter. And in an environment that really hasn't changed a whole lot, that facilitated why they were among the leaders last year, which is to say, kind of steady state economic activity.
Shares of Boeing rose nearly 1% after tumbling the prior two sessions. CEO Dave Calhoun on Tuesday acknowledged errors by the U.S. plane maker as more than 170 jets remain grounded for a fourth day due to safety concerns. DuckGo plunged more than 37% after Fuzzy Panda Research revealed a short position on the health services company's stock. Wednesday marked a watershed moment for Bitcoin as the SEC approved the first U.S.-listed exchange-traded funds to track the world's largest cryptocurrency. Investors are awaiting the December consumer and producer inflation reports due on Thursday and Friday, respectively, which could help determine the Federal Reserve's monetary policy path. And on Friday, the unofficial start of earnings season kicks off with banking giants J.P. Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo. All are expected to report lower fourth-quarter profits.